So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. Just highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on enter. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to select change advanced power settings. And now once this comes up, you want to scroll down. You want to open up power buttons and lid. Now you want to expand lid open action. You want to turn everything here to do nothing. So for me, it says setting. I'm going to make it do nothing. It might also be synced for you on battery and plugged in. If you see on battery and plugged in, you want to change that to do nothing as well. So make everything on the lid open action as do nothing, and then click on OK. And then the problem should be fixed.